Hey guys, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm Nate Barger, and I'm here to show you everything you need to know about real estate to make massive amounts of wealth. Today, we're going to talk about adjustable rate mortgages. I'm going to roll right into a chart and show you guys because right now, you guys are bickering over how I got 4.5%, I need 3.5%. Let me show you what that actually means in dollar amounts. You know what your interest rate is going to be for the term of your loan. Normally, that's going to be 15 years, but mainly a 30-year loan is what most people get. So you got a 15 and a 30-year loan. You got a 5-1 arm, a 7-1 arm, a 10-1 arm, a 15-1 arm with a 30-year amortization. So we'll be covering what amortization is later on in depth. So make sure you go down this playlist because by the time you get done with this playlist, you're going to feel like you just graduated the 13th grade or 14th grade. Hey guys, did I ever tell you guys about that?
6.5 hours later.
All right, so Kobe's going to cut that out. Don't worry. So a 5-1, 7-1, 15-1, 10-1, what that simply means is that it's going to be a fixed rate for 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, or 15 years. So what they do is they pull it in. You're going to have this 5-year fixed rate, which is going to be a little bit better most of the time than a 30-year fixed. But if you're investing, like me, I want you to be very careful on getting an ARM. And here's why. I'm going to show you what you're trying to save most of the time and how bad it can hurt you. So let's say you're buying a $150,000 property. You're putting $30,000 cash down. You should be BRRRRing. You should follow us. We'll tell you what BRRRRing is. But right now, so you're getting a 30-year, let's say 30-year fixed on investment properties 4%. But that's going to be your principal and interest is $572.90. You see it over here on this chart. Now, property taxes, that's going to be that's an assumption. Homeowners is an assumption. Don't pay that any attention. What we're worried about right here is your principal and interest. So let's say you go and the bank says, hey, we'll give you an ARM instead of a 30-year fixed, and we'll drop this to 3.5%. So now it's $538.85. So what do we save, guys? Got 4% is $572.90 minus 3.5% is $538.85. So you're saving $34 a month, which let's say over 5 years, 60 months, is $2,043. Now, if you know 100% unequivocally that you are going to sell this property within 5 years, I would tell you to get that. But I would also tell you as an investor, you are not ultimately in charge of when you're going to sell your property. You may think you are, but the market could turn at any given moment. And so for me, I want to look at this from a mathematical standpoint. I'm saving $2,043. That's why I'm doing it. But that is what an adjustable rate mortgage is. It means that your rate could adjust. So for me, if I'm an investor and I can get good long-term debt and I can lock it in at these historic lows, I would much rather do that. So if you guys like that, stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to go into what amortization is. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button and comment below. Let me know what questions you have, and I am going to answer them for you guys and get you skilled up so you don't feel the need to work for other people, but work for yourself and make massive wealth off of all this housing supply that's needed out here right now.